City Series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Doran Becker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree.
What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. As I'm sure a lot of you have seen, Jordan did a bunch of collegiate player-exclusive Jordan 14s for the student athletes at several different universities. They did a pair for the University of Florida, Cincinnati, Howard, University of North Carolina, of course, University of Houston, UCLA, Michigan, San Diego State, Marquette, Georgetown, and Oklahoma. Now, I'm not sure if these were just for the basketball team or football and or any other sport teams got some love with these, but yeah. Leave me a comment and let me know which pairs you like the best. To be honest, I like them all, some more than others, obviously. I think my favorites are probably Cincinnati and UCLA. Low-key Houston, too, even though they look a lot like the Ferraris. It's that gold edition, because it goes so crazy with the red. I kind of like the Florida Gators pair, too. UNC is a fire, but I just feel like I'm low-key sleeping on them because, like, I just got University Blue 14s, you know what I mean? Like, but that don't take away from their appearance. They look nice. Marquette is cool, too. They kind of look like the North Carolinas, but got the little gold on them. Georgetown's a fire. Oklahoma's are cool, but I just feel like the Houstons are just like so much better, and they're both red. You know, Houston got the better shade of red. Not that I don't like the chrome that's on the Oklahoma pair, but the way that gold looks on the Houston pair, it's just like, I feel like the Houston pair is making me not really care as much for the Oklahoma pair, because the Oklahoma pair was actually the first pair out of all of these. That was actually the first pair that I saw, and I wasn't like super crazy about them, but I thought they were nice. I feel like I like them more than I do now that I've seen the Houston pair. I don't know. Those three are probably the best looking to me. What I said, Cincinnati, UCLA, and Houston. We got a couple of honorable mentions, but like I said, they're all tough. I really could fuck with any of them. But my favorite basketball player of all time went to Georgetown University, and my second favorite basketball player went to San Diego State. So even though I might like the colorway or the color blocking better on those pairs I just named, the Georgetown and the San Diego pairs kind of stood out to me the most because of that. Now for Georgetown, they've already done the player exclusive 3s, the 4s. There's actually 3 pairs of player exclusive Georgetown 4s. You got the 5s, 6s, and then they did the general release 6s, the 1s, the 3s, the general release 3s, the 11s, the low pair. I ain't gonna lie, they need to do a high top pair, you know, because Iverson used to wear the Concords and collars. Like, yeah, they gotta do that. But there's actually a lot of Georgetown Jordans at this point, and I hope they continue to do more. But San Diego State does not have all of that. They got a pair of PE 4s, and everything else they got is like 33s, 34s. Like, I believe they have 33 through 40, if I'm not mistaken. But like, I don't know about y'all, I'm not copping no 33s, 30. I'm not copping nothing above 23 probably, especially not to wear casually. So basically all they had is the 4s, and to be honest, the 4s they did for them is ass, if you ask me. Like, I know this is just how that entire line is, like the entire line of PE 4s from 2025, but like, they're just so plain, and I love a calm fire pair of shoes, you know what I mean? Like, not everything needs to be super vibrant and overly colorful and jumping out of your face, but like, when it comes to PEs, like, I kind of need that to a certain extent. Like I said, it don't gotta be overly vibrant, but like, if it's a San Diego State player exclusive pair of 4s, like, I kind of need some San Diego State shit on it. And with those, and like I said, I know the entire line is like this, but the fact that there's not even a logo on the shoe anywhere other than the hang tag is crazy to me. Because as a person who wants to wear the shoe, you're telling me I gotta walk around with a big ass heavy gold hang tag clanking up against the shoe just to show that it's a San Diego State shoe? Like, no, that's ass, you know what I mean? Maybe somebody who's just a straight up collector and is gonna take the shoe and not wear it necessarily, but just have it on display where you can leave the hang tag on conveniently and you can see the San Diego State logo there. Like, yeah, and you know, they got it on the little lace shit too, the SDS shoe. But that's just way too subtle for me, I'm sorry. Like, even if I was just a collector, just putting it in the case, I mean, like I said, you got the hang tag there, you got the big ass logo. But, you know, somebody like me who's literally only getting the shoe to wear with, you know, a Kawhi Leonard specifically, San Diego State jersey, I kind of want something on the shoe, you know, a logo or something of that sort on the shoe that's like not just a hang tag. That would make a huge difference. But yeah, so to me, them shits is ass, because like I said, y'all know I like to wear my shoes, and you know, as a person who would be getting them to wear, I'm not walking around with the hang tag on. And without the hang tag, those honestly like Fear 4s. Like, they look a lot like Fear 4s, and yes, obviously they're way better quality. They do have their little differences, but like, at first glance, them shits is Fear 4s basically. So basically I would just be wearing a overly expensive enhanced quality pair of Fear 4s with my San Diego State Kawhi jersey, and the shits don't even match. That's another thing too. Like, where the fuck is the red in them shits? Like, I know they match well enough, like, you know, they got the black in them, and you know, San Diego State has the black in their jersey, but like, come on, like, where the fuck is the red? This is a PE, it's a player exclusive. Like, it's kind of supposed to match like precisely, you know what I mean? Shoe is black, white, gray, and gold for a team that has black, red, and white colors. I don't know, that just defeats the purpose for me. If they would have been like black and red and they just would have like not been the most appealing shoe, I wouldn't have even been that annoyed by it. But like the fact that they was ass and they wasn't even the same color, so I couldn't even like match like precisely if I wanted to, if I got them, it was just like I couldn't fathom getting them. But the 14s, different story. 14s are nice. They fill all those voids I just talked about. They got the logo on the side. They are black and red, just like the away San Diego State jersey. You know what I'm saying? They could have did that on the 4s. The 4s, I'm not even going to, like, the 4s really could have been crazy now that I'm thinking about it. But like I said, I understand that whole line was just weak like that. But yeah, the 14s, those are the best San Diego State Jordan PE by far. They're a little too similar looking to last shots, to be honest, but still, they look nice. Like I said, they check off all the boxes. They got the logo, they got the right color. So as a Kawhi Leonard fan, I definitely need those to wear with the jersey. Unfortunately, I don't know anybody with San Diego State athletics that can help me out with that. So I hit up my guys at English Soul Forum. Due to a miscommunication between us in the messages, they actually ended up sending me this Howard Bison pair instead. Now, like I said, it was a miscommunication between me and them. I'm not here to complain about them or anything. I've done business with them before. They're good people. And we've already straightened everything out. But before sending these back, I just wanted to show y'all. I just feel like touching a pair like this and not sharing it with y'all would really be crazy, because this ain't no regular pair. And I know a lot of my content is on regular pair, but that's really just because anything coming out is a hot searching topic and I gotta get myself out there. But personally, I'm much more interested in stuff like this. Howard Bison team logo here on the side instead of the Jumpman. Got a nice smooth upper carbon fiber print on the midsole, and the chrome here looks really nice. We'll get a better look at that when we look at the outsole. And same thing here on the inner side. I don't know if y'all noticed before when we were looking at all the new PE 14s, but they all got the carbon fiber on the midsole and either chrome or gold right here, which I personally really like. Here on the back, we got the red 23, red Jumpman. Inside is all blue like the upper. Got silver lace tips with the Jumpman on them. 14 Roman numeral on the back. Here's the tag. They were made in Vietnam. There's AJ14 2183126. That's the SKU. It says Air Jordan 14 Retro, and I almost said NAACP. NCAA College Navy, University Red, that's the color obviously. Size 10, season's 2025, so that's the start of this season. Color contamination, warning tag here, attached to the laces on the left shoe, and red Jumpman on the insole. Here's the outsole. Man, that chrome looks good. See, this is the type of shoe that when I wear them, I'm gonna try to wear them on a flat surface only, just so I don't scratch that beautiful. Look at that. You don't want to scratch this up. You see like the way it's like indented a little bit, like it's possible. You just can't walk on like rocks and shit like that. But they come in the classic OG Jordan 14s box. Nothing special on them but the label. And these stickers at the top don't come with it. This and this, these are both English Souls stickers. But here's the box label. Pretty much a lot of the stuff that we saw on the tag. Got the SKU up here. Air Jordan 14 Retro NCAAP size 10. Got the color here. And the HUs for Howard University. And then inside, just paper. The shoes came wrapped, so this is the paper that they were wrapped in. Here's a quick all-around view of the shoe. These are nice, good quality. Details are there. Having the team logo on them gives them that PE feeling. On the critical side, they could have made them a little bit more special. And I know I sound like I'm asking for a lot after talking about how unspecial those 4s were. But, you know, they could have just put like a logo on the insole, you know, like the team logo on the insole. Maybe like Howard right here instead of Jordan. Or maybe if they wanted to leave Jordan here, maybe put Howard here on the back instead of the 14 Roman numeral. We know what shoe this is. We don't need the 14 on the back. I wouldn't have cared as much for a special detail on the box, but they could have did something with the box too. But like I said, I'd rather them put it on the shoe. Even if they would have put like maybe the team logo on the lace tips, like that's a super minor detail that's really not going to stand out. But that's the kind of things you get on PE sometimes. Like there's some PEs kind of like these where they're a little bit more, I guess, closer to normal, and you just have like, you know, the logo on the side, which is enough. But then you got some other pairs, like for example, like a lot of the Oregon PEs, like they have crazy detail on some of those, you know, like the 14s that got like the little duck all around the shoe, or or they'll change the Jumpman on the back to like the big ass O. You know what I mean? Like they could have did a HU right here instead of 23. You know what I mean? Like it could have been on the tongue, like I said before. Something a little different would have been cool, because you take this logo away right here, ain't nothing about these Howard. I mean, you got the colors, but like just the logo right here is low-key the bare minimum. However, because I really sound like I'm complaining, it's still fine. Like even though it's just one thing, it did what it needed to do. It's on a part of the shoe where it's going to stand out. So yeah, these are cool. John Wall wore these to the NBA draft lottery and said they bought him the luck to get the first pick for the Wizards. I know it's a little odd for a guy who was so big at Kentucky to be wearing a Howard PE when he could have wore some Kentucky PEs. But for those of you who didn't know, John Wall is actually the president of basketball operations now at Howard. So that's why. But yeah, even though these are nice, I feel like ultimately, at least for me, the main appeal to them is a connection to the school, which I unfortunately do not have. So even though I do like them, you know, shout out to Howard. I love a HBCU, but it's not a shoe that I would go out of my way and pay a lot for. If I went to Howard or had a close friend or family member that went there, or if one of my favorite athletes went there, then I would probably really want these. But leave me a comment, let me know what y'all think about these and what other universities you think Jordan should make some player exclusives for. Shit, I'll go first. They need to start making PEs for Rutgers, and some fire shit too, not some 36s or 37s or anything like that. Like, give me some Rutgers 7s, some Rutgers 6s, you know what I mean? Like, please. I'll take anything 1 through 18, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna send these back to English Soul and get the San Diego pair, and I'll definitely be doing a video with those. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I don't know what the engagement's gonna be like on this video, but I hope it turns out good, because I would like to do more in here than just the normal reviews I do. If this video was helpful or taught you anything, I really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Likes and comments are always appreciated. If you haven't done so already, please do us both a favor and subscribe to my channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you tap that little bell icon where the subscribe button was and select all. That way when I put a new video out, you get notified, you won't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.